Hello everyone, welcome to Slake Wall for Boom Bus and Manjan. Now we at Summer Hotel, Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee Krap. And right now we with the Philippines representative. Mabuhay!
Why?
All right. Okay, so maybe can start from you. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
My name is Angelo Edrix Balboa Guevara, 13 years of age, and I represent our mother, Philippines.
Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Stark Balboa Guevara, 8 years of age. I am your model search Philippines.
Hello to each and every one of you. My name is Arian Joyce Bautista Villarreal, proudly representing the Philippines.
All right, that's so wonderful and fabulous from all of you. All right, we already know about themselves. So right now we want to know objective of the reason why they choose I Am Modestus International as the platform to highlight themselves. Maybe we can start from you.
I want to showcase my talent to the world, and I want to represent my motherland, Philippines, and do my best in the stage.
I want to show my talent and I want to share them my talent and I want to be a model search international kids winner.
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon or good evening, rather. Yeah. The reason why I joined this competition is that IU Model Search International gives us a golden opportunity to showcase our talent, our skills to runway, and that's why we are here to bring pride and honor to our country, which is the Philippines. Hope we give you so much pride and joy. Mabuhay Philippines, sawadee ka.
All right, that's a wonderful from Philippines representative, and I wish you all best of luck in your journey in I Am Modestus International 2025 edition in Bangkok, Thailand. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye.